Kids these days, they never quite grew up the same as we did. Do you know why? Because they never had Sunright Fruit Plus orange juice. Wow, don't I feel healthy?
Audio, speak. Slate in.
Scene.
Oh shit, okay, wait, hold on a second.
Watson!
McCoy and Son.
5, 2, Mark.
Enough. Let's just.
That's fucking angry!
R-E-S-P-E-C-T, I know what it means to me.
Hola, señorita.
Shot 3. Shot 1, take 3. Mark.
How long do you want me to wait, Gloria?
Count 3 steamboats.
What?
Shot.
Shut up. Quiet on set. Roll camera.
3.
Hey, Dizzy, I'm dying.
Mark.
Charlie, that doesn't look anything like Iron Man.
Natalie, this is how I warm up my acting. Crazy. I don't know how I got these scars.
Somebody get him a cup of coffee. I'm still breathing.
Hey, Dad! What's this?
Us.
Ryan, shut up.
Us. Yeah, I'm rolling.
Yeah.
Ready?
The whole thing, a whole new world. We stand, and there we go.
McCoy and Son.
Slow down. Grab the wall.
Okay.
Wiggle like you're gonna make your ass fall off.
McCoy and Son. Scene 5, shot 3, take 1. Mark it.